we have finished all the presentations now and we'll take up the discussions. Questions can be asked. I request Dr. Ajit Sawant to take over from here. He will lead the discussion.
Oh, hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. I first of all thank all my esteemed faculties, Dr. Nanjappa, Dr. Prashant Mulaukar, Dr. Abhijit, Sabnit sir, and Pankaj for giving their time and making a very good presentation in this webinar, which is a learning phase for everyone, for the consultants as well as to the postgraduates, how to present a good PPT presentation in a scientific forum. Now, if there are any specific questions whom we want to answer or address to the faculty, we open. Abhijit, can we open the lines?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So,
So
so,
anybody can unmute
yeah.
themselves.
So, Abhijit Sawant sir, my question to Nanjappa and then to Abhijit is that for a beginner who's starting to make his presentations now, there's always been a fight which is better, PowerPoint or a keynote. What should you advise? I am a new, I don't know PowerPoint, I don't know keynote. I want to learn now. Which one platform should I adopt? Which is a better platform for normal presentations and for AI benefited presentations?
So, Rajesh, a good question. It's a very good question because this is what happens at most of the places where we go to. So, I would suggest that if you are starting your presentation, always use PowerPoint because PowerPoint is globally everywhere you can get a PowerPoint compatible. Compatibility is there at every nook and corner. But there are few of us who are stuck up with Mac, and we love our keynotes. So keynote doesn't come even on anywhere nationally. Also, you go, you will have a problem with keynote compatibility. You will have to last minute convert your keynote to PowerPoint. Though keynote is so fluent, and I mean, see, it's like once you start using keynote, you just love using keynote and you don't go out of it. Right? Today, my presentation was on keynote because I was too confident that this platform will take anything. But sometimes you will have to, so best if you asked you a question to start always with PowerPoint because PowerPoint can do wonderful things. And PowerPoint, the what it was 10 years back and what it is today, there's a sea change of what has happened with PowerPoint. So I would highly recommend, if you have one platform to use PowerPoint.
So if
Abhijit, you
may
can
I
add.
add something, sir, to it? Yes. So coming on to the newcomers, so there is an ecosystem which I have put in the chat, which is Microsoft 365. It is no longer Office 365. The amount of money that you may, if it is a good thing that 8,200, you divide into 6 people, you get only 1,400 per person, and you get 1 TB of cloud space. And what do you get? Is you get all the benefits of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, everything. And in PowerPoint, it is, as sir said, is acceptable everywhere. And the co-pilot features are excellent in PowerPoint. So the things that you can do in PowerPoint are far more better, far more easy to understand. So if you want the answer to the question, the first platform where you can add and you have everything under one single roof, the answer would be Microsoft 365 using PowerPoint, sir.
But is Copilot subscription included in this 8,200?
Yes, sir. It is included each and everything. There are multitude of benefits of taking this Microsoft 365. One of them is this: you can create forms. There are multitude of benefits of using it, and Copilot is just a part of it. You can use it in this price, sir.
Thank you.
Let me add
Unlimited
one
use,
more
sir.
thing that you, even if you have a Mac, you can buy the Microsoft 365 because you get all
Exactly.
the original software and you can have best of both the worlds.
Yeah.
Not necessary that Mac users are losing on this.
Yeah. No, that's what I am doing at least. Yeah.
Yeah, all
Thank
of
you.
us do.
Thank you.
Any more questions from anybody? Are there
Yeah,
any PGs
can I
who want
have
to ask
a
any questions?
one question for Dr. Joshi? Pankaj Joshi, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
In international conferences, if we use this AI, so do we have to give the disclaimer that AI has been used for making the presentations, or
Uh,
if our content is original and we want the presentation part to be edited by AI, So, is the disclaimer required or not? What are your takes on that?
As of now, there are no guidelines where you have to declare whether you have used AI for making the slides. The guidelines are very clear. When you submit an international manuscript, you have to declare whether you have used an AI, but not for a presentation. But I'm sure your question will be taken very positively by many people, and the next time around, they will have to declare that I have used AI. As of now, it is not required.
So may I
Thank you,
also
thank
add a
you.
light to it, sir? So, sir, use of AI can be two ways. If you have your own original content, you just use Copilot or any AI just to polish it. Maybe then it is not of any consequence because you have just used AI to polish the presentation. The content and ideas are all original. But if you have used AI to create the content on itself, you have made the whole presentation using AI, then I think, as sir said, it is better to give a disclaimer that some slides are made using AI, and I think it brings the honesty out of you, sir.
Okay. Any more questions from anybody? So if there are no more questions, then we will end this session on the webinar. Most important is your scientific content, and once your scientific content is there, then comes your how you present your PowerPoint presentation in a scientific forum. So if everything is there, if you have a good content and if you are polished here and you have made your slides more visible and more attractive, it will make your presentation a very nice presentation and an impressive presentation in any forum where you are going to speak. So if there are no other questions, we will declare this webinar to be about to close. Secretary, do you want to make any?
Thank you,
Rajesh?
Savant sir. Thank you, Savant sir. Thank you, Vishwas, for formulating this webinar. And it was an excellent one. All the talks. I thank all the speakers, Dr. Nanjappa, Prashant Mulaukar, Sabnis sir, Pankaj Joshi, and Abhijit for their excellent content talks. And I'm very sure it was fruitful and everybody would have some take homes from this webinar. Thank you very much. Ajay bhai, are you there? Bhandarkar sir?
Yes, it's very much there. And I think same sentiments here that when we discuss in the council, this was going to be a very good, informative and very interesting webinar. And we will come out with similar programs in the future. And good luck to everyone. And thanks to each and every master speaker, each and every person. It was worth listening. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Good
much.
night. Good night.
Good night. Good